Hello friends, welcome to Unify Study Channel. Today we will know about the important facts or events related to 29th October. Let's start. In the year of 1864, on this day, Greece adopted a new constitution. In the year of 1911, on this day, American editor and publisher Joseph Pulitzer died. In the year of 1920, on this day, Maulana Mahmud Hassan, a well-known freedom fighter and Muslim theologian, laid the foundation stone of Jamia Millia Islamia in Aligarh. It is situated in Jamia Nagar, New Delhi. In the year of 1923, on this day, Turkey became a republic after the dissolution of the Ottoman Empire. In the year of 1945, on this day, for the first time in the world, the ball pen was sold publicly in the market. The Reynolds Rocket ball pen was first sold for about $12.5 per pen. All 10,000 pens made were sold. In the year of 1947, on this day, Belgium, Luxembourg, and Netherlands formed the Benelux Federation. In the year of 1958, on this day, the US conducted a nuclear test in Nevada. In the year of 1985, on this day, boxer Vijender Singh, who won India's first Olympic medal in boxing, was born. In the year of 1986, on this day, the final section of the M25 London's orbital motorway was opened by British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher. When it opened, it was the longest ring road in Europe. In the year of 1988, on this day, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, a social reformer, freedom fighter, and Gandhian woman who brought renaissance in the field of Indian handicraft, passed away. In the year of 1994, on this day, the National Museum of the American Indian was opened in New York. In the year of 1997, on this day, the International Chemical Weapons Treaty was ratified by Pakistan. In the year of 1999, on this day, the cyclone that hit the coastal region of eastern India shook it. In the year of 2000, on this day, the president of Iceland, Olafur Ragnar Grimsson, arrived in India on a 7-day state visit. In the year of 2005, on this day, 2 days before Deepavali, Delhi Heights were immersed in the festive heat when there were explosions in the market of Paharganj and Sarojini Nagar, two busy areas of the city. In the year of 2015, on this day, Chania announced the end of the one-child policy. In the year of 2017, on this day, Danish tennis star Caroline Wozniacki beat American Venus Williams by 6-4, 6-4 to win the WTA Finals title in Kallang, Singapore. In the year of 2018, on this day, Lion Air flight JT610 crashes into the sea after takeoff near Jakarta, Indonesia, missing all 189 aboard. In the year of 2019, on this day, Lebanese Prime Minister Saad Hariri resigned after 2 weeks of nationwide protests and economic crisis. In the year of 2020, on this day, Indian Army launched a messaging mobile application called SAI. The application will provide secure voice, video, text calling services to Indian Army soldiers. In the year of 2020, on this day, India received 11,000 sets of extreme cold weather clothing from the United Nations to its troops deployed in forward areas along the line of actual control in Ladakh. In the year of 2020, on this day, Dharni portal for land and property registration was launched by Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao. The portal aims to reduce the whole loopholes in the registration process. In the year of 2020, on this day, Keshubhai Patel, the 10th Chief Minister of Gujarat, passed away. In the year of 2020, on this day, a deadly terrorist attack took place in the Basilica of Notre Dame, France, in which two women and a man were killed and several people were injured. That's all. Thanks for watching and support.